All right, today we're going to talk fun facts about sea urchins. Now, first, these are white sea urchins. They are part of the echinoderm family, which also includes sea stars, sand dollars, as well as sea cucumbers. They've got a bristly exterior, as you can see there. These guys are important to the ecosystem. They eat algae and helps keep it in check around the reefs that it lives on. So on the underside of their body, they have a mouth, and it's called Aristotle's lantern. The reason why is because the Greek philosopher Aristotle actually wrote about it, which is how it got that name. It's the mouth is actually strong enough to go ahead and scrape algae off rocks as well as bite through kelp. Sea urchins were also pivotal in early developmental biology research because they have transparent eggs and rapid development that made them perfect for studying how embryos form, even helping scientists understand both DNA as well as cell division. They don't have a centralized brain. Instead, they have a nerve ring around their mouth and nerves that radiate outwards. They can regrow lost spines. And in the deep sea, some white sea urchins will actually glow bioluminescent, which they'll glow in the dark, and that is both to ward off predators as well as to attract mates. So they have little tube feet that work using a water vascular system, so basically hydraulic power as a way for them to move around and control their motion. Final fun facts about these guys is they have eyes all over. They sense light and dark through photoreceptor cells in their skin and spine. So basically, they're one giant eyeball. And they're living fossils. They have been around for over 450 million years. Now, I know I say this about everything that I video, but this is really true. These are becoming my favorite. This is the rose sea urchin. And what you'll notice that's different from the white sea urchin is those are actually little suction cups around its body versus spines. And they've got like this rubbery type texture. Those suction cups help them move as well as cover themselves, which I'll show you in just a second. One way these guys are different than the white sea urchins is that these are actually poisonous. Touching them will actually cause a skin irritation or stinging, so don't touch. Now, if you stop and look here, that's the sea urchin. And what he's done is he's used those suction cups to collect and pull rocks and shells over the top of their body to camouflage themselves from predators. Now, the other reason that they cover themselves in shells is it helps protect their body from UV radiation. So basically, it's their version of a sun umbrella or sunscreen. Like its cousin, the white sea urchin, it also cleans up the reef by eating algae, and it has that lantern mouth, Aristotle's lantern, with the mouth on the bottom with 5 strong teeth that it uses to scrape algae and all that good stuff. Now, there is another sea urchin which is pretty prolific where we tend to snorkel, and that is a black sea urchin. It's the spiny one. So I'll dig up some footage and do a quick fun fact video about those guys at some time.